Well, talk to us. What you got here, Ty?
Man, this is a dunk. Man, listen. This is a dunk that deserves a key. That's what this is.
Talk to me. Tell me about it.
Man,
You've been following it. What is
I've been following this joint, man. This a bad man, it's a bad. Man, listen. They when I say they did, they got gold bolts on this. Like he got his carpet got lights in the carpet. Like the carpet itself got like, man, frame off when I say every inch of this car customized and done. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Like they did an amazing job with this car. Violent motor, real Dayton's, real D's. I mean, like everything done.